US-China trade negotiations will set the direction of the Mexican peso. The peso was on a downward spiral at the beginning of the week as China was seen taking a harder stance on trade with the US ahead of their talks in Washington on Wednesday. The position has softened somewhat by comments showing an open mind to a limited agreement similar to the one just signed between the US and Japan. Mexican inflation remains tame, giving the central bank room to cut its benchmark rate. The interest rate stands at 7.75% and leaves the Banxico plenty of flexibility going forward. Economic red flags have been popping up as foreign and domestic investment are down, and the gains in exports will not be enough to return the country to expansion. Mexico avoided a technical recession by having no growth in the second quarter. If it had fallen, it would have marked 2 quarters of negative growth. Kristalina Georgieva started her mandate as the head of the IMF this week and did not mention Argentina by name in her inaugural speech, but it needs to be at the top of her agenda. The country is nearing a default on its debt following the defeat of the pro-market president in the primaries. The election defeat by President Macri and the almost definite victory by opposition candidate Alberto Fernandez has put serious doubts on the repayment of the debt already allocated to the South American nation. The IMF has put on hold its disbursement of the next tranche of credit awaiting the results of the elections. After talking to all candidates last month, it did not get enough warranties to give the green light to the loan amount to be transferred. As presidential elections takes place on October 27th, Alberto Fernandez's lead appears insurmountable for Macri. If you enjoyed these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any feedback in the comments box below.